Modern anime takes inspiration from tons of sources, but Japanese mythology is always a consistent source of inspiration. When people talk about anime, sometimes the mythology behind certain characters, plot lines, and places get overlooked. As a story reading enthusiast myself who loves how stories connect, I can't stand for people not knowing at least most common myths. सो इस वीडियो सीरीज़ में ऐसी ही चीज़ों को समझाने के लिए हम जापान के कुछ माइथोलॉजी रिलेटेड डाइटिस एंड फिगर्स की बात करेंगे आज। सो इस सीरीज़ के फर्स्ट एपिसोड को शुरू करते हैं एक नए धांसू इंट्रो के साथ। सबसे पहले अगर हम किसी भी कल्चर की माइथोलॉजी लें तो उसमें एक वर्ड आपको गॉड के बाद ज़रूर सुनने को मिलेगा, एंजल्स, जहाँ फरिश्ते। लाइक वेस्टर्न शोज एंड मूवीज़, एनिमे में भी एंजल्स का टाइम टू टाइम जिक्र हुआ है। समटाइम्स दीज एंजल्स आर अ सिंबल ऑफ गुड एंड पीस, लाइक पूरा पूरा फ्रॉम एनिमे मूवी कलरफुल, और हाउएवर इट कुड जस्ट बी अ कवर फॉर द विलन टू यूज इन ऑर्डर टू ट्रिक द हीरो, लाइक एंजेला फ्रॉम ब्लैक बटलर सीरीज। Sometimes they are just fab material for our audience, like High School DxD को ही ले लो यार, और जिब्रिल भी। ओवरऑल हम सब ने जब भी एंजल्स का सोचा है, वाइट विंग्स वाली उड़ती हुई लड़की ही सोची है, और एनिमे हो या माइथोलॉजी, सब ने ऐसे ही एंजल्स को पोर्ट्रे किया है। नेक्स्ट इज डीमंस एंड अकुमा। I would have to say that demons are used much more often than angels. They can be used as a symbol of evil or defiance, as in Demon Slayer. However, not all demons you see will be evil. For instance, in the anime, Devil is a part-timer. The devil is actually a being from another world who works as a fast food restaurant, जो कि McDonald's की कॉपी है. He was evil, but is now the hero of his own show. Devils के अगेन एग्जाम्पल के लिए High School DxD को रेफर करें. Akuma is a malevolent spirit. This is also the name assigned to Satan from Christianity and Mara from Japanese Buddhism. In anime, characters with the Akuma name usually keep the evil nature associated with the lore. Like in D. Grey Man, Akuma are evil spirits that manifest from the ill will of the people. Next आते हैं Kamis and Shinigami. The word Kami means god or deity. In anime, Kami can show up in any form, which is usually a very beautiful humanoid form. Most notable Kami in Japanese mythology are Izanagi and Izanami, the first two deities that created the world, and Amaterasu and Tsukuyomi, the sun and moon deities. There is also Enma-sama, King Enma, who is deity of hell or the afterlife, and seems to have more than enough references to himself throughout all of anime. There are anime like Kami-sama Kiss that center around Kami, and others like Good Luck Girl that just have a character or two. आगे आते हैं Shinigami. Shinigami are death deities, or what we would call reapers. Just like angels and demons, Shinigami can either be good or bad. Bleach, a popular series from 2006 to 2010, जो कि आप में से कईयों ने देखी होगी, centers around Shinigami but views them in a positive light. In anime such as Death Note, they are even neutral, letting humans do whatever they want. अब र्यू को ही ले लो यार, उसे बस एप्पल से मतलब था। आगे आते हैं spirits and Mononoke. You will see a variety of spirits in a number of series, especially if you watch something about ghost or ghost hunters. A particular type of spirit is called a Mononoke, or vengeful spirits that are bent on making mortal lives miserable for one reason or another. It could be because one person killed another and the dead one turned into a Mononoke is ready for revenge. इसकी झलक हमें बॉलीवुड फिल्मों में आम देखने को मिल जाती है, और अगर आपको इसमें एक बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग चाहिए तो आई विल रेकमेंड टू वॉच प्रिंसेस मोनोनोके. दैट इज़ अ रियली गुड सीरीज. तो वापस आते हैं मोनोनोके पे. इट कुड बी जस्ट बिकॉज द मोनोनोके इज बीइंग मीन फॉर नो पर्टिकुलर रीजन. It is said that these spirits don't move on until they are exorcised. However, that doesn't mean they will be in an anime or a manga series. आगे आते हैं yokai. The word yokai means spirit or apparition, but it refers to all monsters, spirits, and demons of Japanese folklore. Though there are too many to name, some of the most common in anime and manga are kappa, kitsune, okami, oni, tengu, and ayakashi. Kappa are turtle-like water monsters that stay around rivers and lakes. Kitsune are folk spirit that are like Loki and are basically tricksters. आगे आते हैं ओकामी. ओकामी are in real life grey wolves that became extinct on the island nation in 1905. In Japanese folklore, they can be spirits of deities or demons. Oni are basically ogres. Tengu are crow demons that are usually associated with Mount Kurama in Japan. That is where they live in folklore. And Ayakashi are spirits that appear above the surface of some body of water. Since Japan is an island nation, these yokai will appear often in art and anime. आगे आते हैं samurai and ninja. There is no doubt you will hear about samurai and ninja in Japanese anime. They also play a big part in the history and mythology of Japan. A samurai would protect his leader to the bitter end if necessary. Any samurai that had abandoned a fight or battle, had been dismissed, or had survived after his home was conquered and his lord killed, would be considered a ronin. Ninja or shinobi were elite spies and mercenaries of Japan. Some were loyal to certain daimyo or shogun, while others were hired assassins. Though the term ninja is mainly used, if you hear the term shinobi, it basically means the same thing. In fact, both words come from the longer word of shinobi no mono. और इसकी तो एग्जाम्पल पे पूरा नारुतो एनिमे बना है. तो आज की सीरीज़ का पहला वीडियो यहीं समाप्त होता है और उम्मीद करते हैं ये इन्फॉर्मेटिव होने के साथ साथ आपके लिए मज़ेदार भी रहा होगा. तो अब मैं लेता हूँ आपसे अलविदा और मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए सायोनारा मीना.